If I had knew these 4 secrets I'm about sharing with you in today's video years back when I got started with trading, trust me, I wouldn't have made up to a percentage of the total losses I made years back. And for you not to fall into those losses, that's why I've created this video to share with you these 4 simple things. And the only way for you to get them is to watch this video to the very end so that you become aware of the 4 hidden secrets about the forex industry or crypto industry that you need to be aware of if you really want to be profitable in the industry and not make series of losses like I did back in 2020 and 2021. So to make sure you avoid all those series of losses, do well to watch this video to the very end as I share these 4 hidden secrets about the industry with you. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can make money through forex and crypto trading and any other trading system at all. But my main focus is on forex and crypto. So to make sure you get the best knowledge of how to trade the forex and crypto industry and make more profit, I would advise you smash on that subscribe button. Tell me what you feel that in today's. Tell me what you feel that in the comment section, because in today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 secrets about forex trading that every beginner should know, because without having this knowledge about the industry, you are highly exposed to making more losses than profit. Trust me, it doesn't matter how long you've been in the industry. What really matters is if you get these 4 things right during your foundation, then you are in right place to make money. Because when it comes over to trading, like anything you are doing at all, the foundation is the most key part, and these 4 things are the 4 main edges of your foundation that in case you get any of them wrongly, you are likely to fall into the consistent losing trap, and I don't want you to do that. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you these 4 simple tips, and not to take much of your time, I believe you smashed on that subscribe button already. So let's get straight into today's video. Let me share with you these 4 secret things you need to know about forex trading or crypto trading so that you don't get into a series of repeated losses. The first point here is simply focusing on one trading strategy. So I've seen so many forex traders out there looking for the best winning strategy, trying to attempt every single strategy they see online. Like, trust me, when it comes over to forex crypto trading, there are so many strategies out there, but the best way to make a consistent profit is focusing on one particular system or strategy. So when it comes over to forex trading, we have the price action traders, which is the kind of trade I do. Less indicator or no indicator at all. We fully focus on the price movement on the chart, keeping our chart clean. We have those who trade the ICT system, which is really complicated. We have those who use like various systems to trade the market. And the benefit of it, why you see that most of these people have consistent winning regardless of their strategy, is because they have a focus. They fully focus on that particular trading strategy for years before they get to master it. Like, I started trading price action back in 2021, like let me say late 2021 stroke 2022, that I started trading price action, and since then I've been able to build myself into the price action strategy that I no longer need indicator to do anything on my chart, because by looking at the chart I get to understand how the movement is going. And this is something that the only way you can get it is when you focus on that particular strategy. Like when you are getting started with any strategy as a forex trader at all, trust me, you will lose regardless of how good the strategy is. But over time, when you started trading this strategy repeatedly, trading it repeatedly, you get to understand how the strategy is, and in that way you get to be able to customize it best to fit you. So if you are getting started with trading, be it forex, crypto, stock, CFD, anything you are trading at all, the best advice I'm going to give to you is that focus more on trading a single strategy rather than trying out every single strategy out there. That's why while starting off as a beginner, I always give the advice, start with a demo account. The reason why you are starting with that demo account is to practice every single strategy out there. Like you can practice the smart money concept, the price action, and those full indicators trader that make their chart so helpful, but not to hate on their strategy either. So all is simple for you. Simply pick out a strategy, practice it repeatedly, keep practicing it, and before you do it for like 3 to 6 months period, trust me, you will get stuck to that strategy and you see that you start winning more than you actually lose. So let's assume that your favorite celebrity today, when he started music at first, he probably failed regardless of how good his songs were. Like he failed repeatedly, but then he keep pushing, and one day he was able to find the right spot that he hasn't hit that actually gave him the hit. So that's also applied to your trading system as well. Keep focusing on that particular trading system until you get it right, and then focus on it, and that will give you more profit than trading every single strategy out there. So the first point on my list is simply focusing on one trading strategy rather than jumping on every strategy out there. The second thing you need to know to avoid you making series of losses, which is the main thing that destroyed me, was the lack of risk management. See, like when it comes over to forex trading, the most key thing in the industry is being able to manage your losses no matter how small or how big your account is. And this is one thing a lot of beginners get totally wrong. The reason why the trading industry have what we call lot size is simply because they want you to manage your risk carefully. Like the lower lot size you use, the lower your profit, the lower leverage you use, the lower your profits, and also at the same time the lower your loss. So if you are getting started with forex trading, before you even get on your decks to start trading with your real account or even a demo account, first of all, go and watch series of videos about forex risk management. Read series of books that has to do with risk management. Build up your psychology on risk management, so that when you get on the decks, you don't get to exhaust your account like how I did back in 2021. Like back in 2020, when I actually got started, I blew up a $10,000 demo account. Yes, you heard me right. I blew up a $10,000 demo account repeatedly. Like I even gave up. Why was I blowing up all those accounts? This was simply because I did not have a clear risk management plan to actually save me from the trading system. But if I had had a clear strategy, a clear risk management system before, I wouldn't have been able to blow up a $10,000 account just like that. Because when I was getting started, I don't even know what a lot size was. Yeah, honestly speaking, back in 2020, I didn't even know what exactly lot was doing on the chart. I simply put out my loss there because I see that the higher lot I use, the higher profit I make. I didn't know that it will also affect my losses as well. So that's why I've created a video on everything you need to know about lot size and pip calculation, so that you get to calculate how much you get to lose in any trade that you are entering before you hit on that enter button. You can watch the video to be that in the description. Now that aside, risk management is the most key thing that has kept every billionaire in the industry till today. So when you get started with forex trading, here's why most people fail the risk management. Most of you get into the industry for more profits, so in that way you get to do more losses as well. But here's the best thing to be able to save you from that trap. The best thing you should think of while starting trading is simply asking yourself, how long am I going to spend in the market? Like I've been able to use it, like during our trading challenge, I've been able to take a $10 account and maintain that $10 account for months now with consistent profits than losses. Meaning I was able to take that $10 account to 300% of the initial deposit. Wow, how was I able to do such a small account? Because I learned my risk management technique. I know when to get out of the market. I know when I'm losing and when to quit it immediately. I know when to stop trading, and I know when to get into the market. And all of this can be getting correctly when you understand everything that has to do with risk management. And the only way to get it is to watch that my video that has to do with how to set trading plans ahead of your trading days, so that you don't get to waste all your funds in one single day. So you can watch that video, that will be linked down in the description as well. So now let's move to the third and fourth point on our list. But before we get there, since we're already halfway gone in this video, why not smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So the point number 3 is simply knowing when to walk away. So what is the importance of knowing when to walk away from the market? Like there are days whereby, trust me, no matter how you do that day, no matter how excellent that your strategy is, you are going to lose series of trades on that very day. Like yesterday, I took 3 trades. Out of the 3, I won 1, lost 2, and the 2 losses were able to beat my 1 because I used like 1-to-2 ratio on all my trades. So losing 2 automatically means that it's equal with my total profit that I made for the whole of yesterday. So after winning the first trade, losing the second one, and losing the third one, I knew that it was time for me to get out of the market. So throughout the whole of yesterday, that was around 3 p.m. Ghanaian time, there was still long trading hours for me, because I normally trade up to 8 p.m., up to 8 p.m. before I quit trading for the day, because I'm a day trader, not a swing trader. I don't like holding my trades across. So but after making those 2 series of losses, which are losses I shouldn't have made, but some way somehow I made the losses, so I had to stop trading for yesterday. And today I'm here to get started. And if you can see clearly, you can see some alerts on my screen right now. Okay, you can see the one on the television clearly, but there are some alerts on my screen right now. Those are trading alerts that I set earlier on since yesterday, but I didn't even look at them because I've already made losses for that day. I knew my risk management technique is simply, when I lose too much, I walk away. When the market is not going in my favor, walk away. When it's hard for me to get a clear trading point, walk away. So like one thing that actually pushed a lot of beginners to make more losses in the market than profit is simply because you clearly see that there is no chance for you to enter the market. You don't have a clear take profit point on the market, no clear exit point, no clear stop loss, no clear entry point. Then you get to force yourself into the market, and that way you get to lose. So this way walking away gets to this way walking away from the market is really important. So when you are trading and realize the market is not going your way, simply walk away for that day. Or if you are using a strategy and you be practicing this strategy for 6 months to a year and you still can't get that strategy, walk away, move on to another strategy. There is no latecomer. As a popular Nigerian celebrity Olamide will say, there's no latecomer in the industry. So don't think you are late into the industry or something. When something is not working for you, walk away and go on to something else. But before you walk away from a trading strategy, make sure you practice it for at least 6 months and it didn't give you any sort of green light before moving on to another sort of strategy out there. So if you are still out there lamenting on which trading strategy you should use, well, there's no problem at all. I've broken down series of different trading strategies that I used that really worked for me, and all of them are still around the price action idea. And if you don't want to miss out on those videos and you want to watch them, then our advice is to turn on the bell notification, and you can also watch the one that I've already published on this channel. You can click on the playlist that will be linked in this video description. So that playlist contains everything about trading strategies, including if you want to use indicator to trade, if you want to trade just support and resistance strategy, if you want to learn my ROSI strategy. Everything has been included in all those series of videos on that playlist, so you can do well to check them out as well. So now let's move to the fourth point in this video, and I believe you smash on that subscribe button as well. The point number 4 is simply getting a mentor. So get me right, getting a mentor is different from buying a trading course. Like your favorite, let me say your celebrities out there, you thought they don't have mentors. They have mentors who are putting them into the business. Your favorite, like your doctors, your nurses, your teachers, all of them have mentors who gives them the right information to get into the market. Like you think an engineer, someone will just wake up one day and become an engineer? No, not at all. It goes through the educational system of it by getting by going to school to go learn how to be an engineer, learning the right things that is needed of him to become an engineer, and then getting a one-on-one mentor in the industry that also helps him give him an idea of how the industry is going to make sure he gets fit into it. Your favorite businessmen are there, like the likes of Elon Musk, Cristiano Ronaldo. You thought they don't have private mentors? They all do. Why do they get all these private mentors? This is because they alone cannot know everything going on in the market. And those mentors has been in the industry way before they got in there. And for them to be able to maintain their stability in the industry, they need a mentor who will guide them through. Like your mentors are your guardians. So when it comes over to Forex trading, some of you will say, I bought a course, I learned everything in the course, yet nothing is working for me. You think so? Here is something I want to tell you. The cost is not a problem. You were able to get a course, you absorbed the knowledge, but you did not get someone to guide you through the knowledge that you've already consumed from the market. Like personally me, when I got started first, I got the knowledge I needed from buying courses, watching videos here on YouTube. But then nothing worked until I met a trader that was able to still give me a lift, like getting me to understand the things in a more clearer approach. This is the importance of getting a mentor. Like in any industry you find yourself, you need to get a mentor, someone who can show you how the industry is operating and keep you in a good fit to stay for the longer period. So hello guys, hope you find this video helpful. And taking a quick recap of everything I just said in the video. The first one is simply focusing on one trading strategy. The second one is simply learning your risk management technique to avoid you losing out on so many trades. Your third one is simply knowing when to walk away from the market when it's not in your favor. And then the fourth one is simply making sure that you have a mentor, someone to guide you through the process, and not just buying courses, watching courses, and then implementing them, complain that they are not working. But get a mentor, someone who can guide you from the process of consistent loss to consistent profit. Then you know you're on the right path. So that already said, So with that already said, I believe you've already smashed that subscribe button because you wouldn't want to miss the next videos coming on this channel, because every week I drop up to 3 videos, a trading strategy video, a tip video like this that share my experience in the industry, and another strategy video to close up the week. So I drop 2 strategy videos every week and a tip, a one-on-one, a life experience from trading industry for my past years to make sure that you get to know both the strategies and the things powering up those strategies that I share with you. So that already said, have a nice day. Bye.